Okay, so see here now, next topic, characteristics of sound. We have learned characteristics of vibrations before. These were that amplitude, oscillation, frequency. These were the characteristics of vibration. Now we are learning today characteristics of sound. So there are mainly three characteristics: loudness, pitch, and quality. First one is loudness. That loudness means that how much strong the sound is. That is what loudness. Excuse me. So that loudness depends upon amplitude of a wave. Now, as you have seen in simple pendulum oscillations like this, then it is coming half cycle, then this is another half completed one full cycle. So sound travels actually in a form of wave. So that wave we have made, that is called sound wave. This is the starting point, origin. This is a wave here, sound wave. And where is the mean position here? So this half cycle having in between mean position and up to where the highest peak, that will join here, and that is called amplitude. Okay, so maximum displacement of this wave, that is called amplitude. So loudness depends upon amplitude of a wave. As higher the amplitude, that much strong the loudness will be. That means, like, see the two diagrams here. This is A and B. Here the waves are like that, and here now it is like this. So in which wave sound will be louder? Where the amplitude will be more. See, here amplitude is less as compared to this wave. So where this amplitude goes higher, the sound loudness will be more. So in diagram B, loudness is more. Like another example, you can see, like we have taken here, that's drum, and we are just trying to jump that ping pong ball over here. So as slow it goes, small amplitude will form, and as go it higher, that means higher amplitude. So higher amplitude, that means louder sound, smaller amplitude, lesser sound. So this is all about loudness. Loudness depends upon amplitude of a wave, and that loudness measures in decibel. This is the unit of loudness, decibel. The unit of loudness that measures in decibel, DECIBLE, decibel. Then there is a range given up to 80 decibel. It is normal for human ears, but above that it becomes noise. Up to in the range of 80 decibel, that is normal, but above that it will go in the category of noise. Now next is pitch. Now pitch, as in music you have heard that word pitch. Pitch depends upon frequency of a wave. Now we have learned in frequency. What is frequency? Number of oscillation that completed in 1 second. So pitch depends upon the frequency of a wave. Now if we are making here that wave, see, now another one here. Now this is also completed in 1 second, and that is also completed in 1 second. Diagram A, diagram B. How many oscillations completed in 1 second here? This half, this one, and up to here 2. 2 oscillations completed in 1 second, and here only 1 oscillation completed in 1 second. So where the number of oscillation completed more in 1 second? In diagram A. So where the frequency is more, pitch will be higher, because pitch depends upon frequency, and frequency is higher, pitch is higher. Frequency is less, pitch is less. Now third one is quality. Now quality is just a texture of sound. It is also called timbre. Timbre. Quality is also called timbre. Like if you know anybody's voice, so without seeing that person also you are able to recognize his voice. So quality means the texture of a sound, and everybody is having a different tone of a sound, different texture of a sound. So that is called quality. So that's it, characteristics of sound.